Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. In my last video, I showed how to make these tube baits. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the actual, the jig that goes inside the tube. So it looks like, I don't know if it can pick it up, but so it actually looks like this inside. All right, so let's go make these tube jigs. Okay, so there's a couple different sizes. As you can see, there's an 1/8, 3/16, a quarter, 5/16, and 3/8. The two sizes that I use the most is a 3/16 and a quarter. So as you can tell, I have already smoked the mold. Here are the hooks that I use. All right, 3/0 and 2/0. For the most part, on the two sizes here, I definitely use the 3/0. These two sizes, I use the 2/0, and then the middle, the quarter, I use either the 3/0 or the 2/0. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some 3/16 right now. Matter of fact, I'll do a 3/16 and a quarter just to show you the size difference. I'll use a 2/0 here and a 3/0 here. All right, the pot's on. I'm gonna leave the mold here, get the mold nice and hot, and then man, it's time to rock. Okay, so the mold is nice and hot. I'm gonna set it down here, and like I said, I'm gonna use the 2/0 and the 3/0. So the 3/0 I'm gonna use for the quarter here. Just goes right in. And then the 2/0 I'm going to use for the 3/16. Oop. Okay. So they're in there. All you got to do now is just shut the mold. You want to verify that there's no creases in the mold here, no open spaces. Okay, so I take out, I don't know what they call it, slag or whatever. I always get rid of that, and then we're just gonna pour right in. That simple. And it makes a perfect bait every time, man. So I'm gonna take these out, and then what I do is I just rock it back and forth to take it off. Do that on both of them. And then what I do is I take a little file and I always smooth it out. And that's it. Okay guys, so that's it. I made it, and then here's your tube. And then all you do to put it in is you just put it directly in, and you keep on pushing down until you feel it stop. There's at the end here, you can tell that there's a little bit of a solid piece. And you just push it all the way in, just make sure it's all the way there. And then I take my fingers and I push down, and then it brings out the what do you call it, the eye of the hook, and then there it is. Let's see if we can get a close-up. So there's a close-up. You can see the eye poking out and the hook. That's it. Okay guys, that's it. That's how to make the tube jig. Super simple, man. I know it's a short video, but hey, that's all there is to it. Alright guys, hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you learned something. Make sure to go get yourself the tube jig and the tube. If you haven't seen my other video, this tube right here is the Super Smoothie tube. It's a 4-inch tube from Do It Molds, man. It's a great one to have in your arsenal. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, sub, comment, all that good stuff, man. Shout out to Do It Molds, that guy Skimpy. Please subscribe.